These are 6 tools that smart builders are stockpiling right now. And it all comes down to what's heading our way in 2026. While most contractors keep buying cheap tools that break every few months, professionals who understand the market invest in what they call buy once, cry once equipment. That phrase captures something every experienced builder knows, but few beginners grasp. You cry once when you see the price tag on quality tools, but you only buy them once because they last decades. Compare that to the endless cycle of replacing cheap tools every year or two, and the math becomes obvious. But 2026 isn't just any year for tool purchases. Supply chain experts are warning about massive disruptions ahead. The Association for Supply Chain Management's CEO, Ashkenazi, puts it simply. Last year was about managing disruptions. Right now, it's about redesigning your global network. Translation: the tools you can buy easily today might not be available tomorrow. The numbers paint a clear picture. Global supply chain disruptions cost businesses $184 billion annually, and 65% of companies face at least one critical bottleneck. But here's what's really driving smart builders to act now. Copper. J.P. Morgan Global Research expects the U.S. to face a refined copper deficit of 330,000 metric tons this year, pushing prices to an average of $12,075 per metric ton. When the Grasberg mine in Indonesia suffered a catastrophic incident in October 2025, it eliminated roughly 250,000 tons from global production overnight. Why does this matter for tools? Everything from motor windings to electrical connections requires copper. Tool prices aren't just going up, they're about to surge. The world's largest tool maker is already moving production back home, reducing their Chinese supply from 15% in 2024 to less than 5% by the end of 2026. That means fewer tools available, higher prices, longer wait times. So, what are the professionals hoarding? Here are the 6 tools that define the 2026 Buy Once list. First up, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Platform. This is not about buying one good drill. It is about investing in an entire ecosystem. The M18 system now includes over 290 compatible tools, making it the largest professional cordless lineup available. But here is what separates the Fuel line from everything else. These tools are engineered for daily commercial use, not weekend projects. One local contractor told researchers his Milwaukee tools have lasted over 15 years of daily job site abuse. Milwaukee backs this confidence with a solid 5-year limited warranty, but they have proven their durability in the field. The latest M18 Fuel circular saw, launching in July 2026, is being called the fastest cutting saw of its kind, featuring advanced battery management technology that actually extends tool life. The ecosystem advantage is where the real value lives, when your batteries, chargers, and tools all work together seamlessly. You are not just buying tools, you are buying efficiency. And in 2026, efficiency is not just nice to have, it is essential for survival. Next, we have the Festool track saw and domino system. Yes, Festool is expensive. Yes, you'll feel that initial sting. But here's what most people don't understand. Festool tools don't just last for years, they last for decades. Many Festool power tools have been in continuous professional use for 30 years or longer. The domino joiner has completely revolutionized woodworking and finish carpentry. As one professional puts it, the domino joining system has been a game changer. They've brought the ease of use of a handheld power tool to complicated traditional mortise and tenon joinery. For him, the domino completely replaced the need for a biscuit joiner while delivering superior results. But here's the kicker. Festool tools retain extraordinary resale value. One woodworker reported selling his domino $500 for $200 more than he originally paid for it. Try doing that with any other tool brand. Festool offers 3 years of full coverage, including theft insurance. Plus, they guarantee spare parts availability for 10 years. That's not just a warranty, that's confidence in engineering. The spring and summer releases in 2026 include the Domino DF500R and the cordless Domino DFC500, expanding what's already the most precise joinery system available. Third on the list, Knipex pliers and Cobra grips. These German-engineered tools come with a lifetime warranty against workmanship and materials. Not 3 years, not 5 years, lifetime. Knipex will replace any tool that fails due to manufacturing defects, period. What makes Knipex special isn't just the warranty, it's the precision. These aren't mass-produced pliers stamped out in bulk. Each tool is manufactured to exacting German standards, designed for industrial and commercial use. The grip strength, the jaw alignment, the leverage ratios, everything is engineered for maximum efficiency and minimum hand fatigue. Professional electricians and plumbers who've switched to Knipex report they can't go back to other brands. The difference in performance is that noticeable. Fourth, laser levels, specifically the green beam models from DeWalt and Bosch. Green lasers shine up to 4 times brighter than standard red lasers, making them visible even in well-lit conditions. The Bosch GLL50-20G and DeWalt DCLE34020G represent the current pinnacle of laser-level technology. DeWalt's DCLE34020G features an IP54 rating, meaning it keeps out dust and splashing water. As one reviewer notes, DeWalt power tools are about as fragile as boat anchors. That's exactly the kind of durability you need when layout precision can make or break a project. Bosch brings decades of German measurement expertise to their laser levels. The GLL50-20G is described by professionals as tough enough to survive life on the job site and refined enough to give you precise readings that will satisfy even the most demanding users. With layout work becoming increasingly critical in modern construction, having a laser level you can trust isn't optional anymore. Fifth, the Occidental leather tool belt system. This might seem like an ODD choice for a buy-once list until you hear the stories. One customer reports wearing Occidental pouches for 37 years and still using his original framing set. Another shared that his oldest Occidental belt is 25 years old and still looks good, while lesser belts have discolored and fallen apart. These tool belts are crafted from premium top-grain leather, tanned with a proprietary blend of oils and waxes, then reinforced with copper rivets at stress points. Every Occidental belt is made in the USA using time-honored techniques combined with modern ergonomic design. As Tool Guide puts it, Occidental leather is the cream of the crop of tool belts. If you are a professional contractor and wear a tool belt daily, why not wear the best? When you consider that most tool belts last only a few years, while Occidental belts can withstand 15+ years of regular use, the math is straightforward. Finally, dust extraction systems from Festool or Milwaukee. This isn't just about keeping your workspace clean, it's about protecting your health and improving your results. Festool's focus on dust collection is unmatched, with seamless integration across their entire tool line. Work cleaner, smarter, and more efficiently while protecting your lungs for a long career. Milwaukee's M18 9-gallon dust extractor provides serious dust control for contractors who have standardized on the M18 platform. The health benefits alone justify the investment, but the improved finish quality and reduced cleanup time make it a productivity multiplier. Here's what ties all these tools together. They're not just purchases. They're investments in your ability to work efficiently, regardless of what 2026 throws at the industry. While supply chains tighten and prices surge, professionals with quality tools will keep working while others scramble for replacements. The contractors who understand this are the ones quietly building their tool collections now, before the shortages hit. They're thinking beyond the sticker price to the total cost of ownership over decades of use. They're buying once, crying once, and then focusing on the work that pays the bills. The window for smart tool investments is closing fast. Supply chain experts expect demand surges before January 2026 as contractors pull forward orders. With domestic mills running at only 64% capacity, there simply won't be enough quality tools to meet demand. The choice is yours. Buy cheap tools repeatedly, or invest once in tools that will serve you for decades. The smart money is betting on quality, and they're betting now.